Good morning everyone! Isang mapagpalang umaga sa lahat ng palaging nanonood at nag-aabang sa vlog ni Johannes Andyan. And, as you can see, back to reality. Nandito ulit tayo ngayon sa farm ni Johannes Andyan sa Amerika dahil sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ay magha-harvest na po tayo ng ating avocado. As you all know, meron po tayong may squirrel darling. Uunahan pa tayo oh. Hello squirrel. Hi. Uunahan pa tayo ng squirrel. Sila po kasi yung mga nauunang mag-harvest pa sa amin guys, no? May kuhit na po tayo, may fruit picker na po tayo dito. Ayan, pinahabaan lang ni Jan itong kuhit natin. So first harvest ng avocado, as you all know, we have 3 avocados. One in front of the house, one in the middle of the house, and the other one is in the back of the house. So first harvest, piliin natin yung malalaki. Ay, hala, this one darling, oh. Oh, parang hindi magkasya sa kuhit natin darling. Ayun. Ayun, first harvest.
Alright.
Ayan, ang laki. Hala. Ayun lang ako nakakita ng ganito kalaking avocado. Parang papaya na nga siya guys, oh. Oh, ayan, first harvest dito sa first tree.
You don't want any star fruit?
Now later we will give free star fruits. Ang dami na ng hinog ng star fruits natin guys, oh. Oh. Simula doon sa atop guys, pababa. So mamaya magha-harvest ulit ako at ipapamigay natin sa mga kapitbahay natin. Okay. Oh, I will just pick this one darling. Oh, no. Oh, ang laki. Ang laki-laki. Ala, parang magkasing laki lang sila nitong isa. Pabilog lang ito. Tapos yung isa pahaba. Okay, last one. Dito naman tayo sa likod ng bahay. Ang daming squirrel talaga, oh. Nag-aabang na yan sila. Uunahan tayo mag-harvest. Ayan, oh. Ayan sila, oh. Uunahan nyo kami mag-harvest, ha. Hello, lovely. Hi. Ayan, so, last but not the least, dito sa likod ng bahay, ito ay wild avocado, guys. Baka kasi maunahan tayo ng ating mga kapitbahay. So, mas mabuti nang i-harvest na natin. So, titignan muna natin guys kung ready na talaga siya. Ayan, kasi kapag ready na, kapag mahinog na siya guys, magha-harvest na ako ng maramihan at ipapamigay ko na sa inyo. Kasi yun naman talaga yung pakay ko eh. Ipapamigay ko naman lahat ito kasi hindi ko naman ito mauubos. Alam nyo bang ang avocado ay rich in vitamins? Ayan. Looks like it's the same variety in the mid, in the front, no? And
No.
looks like it's small pa or no?
It's smaller.
Oh, this is nice. Blessings ito guys. I know that in the coming years, mas dadami pa ito. And ito na guys, remember last week, we planted moringa or malunggay. This is the update of our malunggay. Okay, check ninyo guys ha. Nanalinsing na siya guys. Tignan ninyo. Ayan oh. Nanalinsing na siya. Look at that. Mabilis lang pala manalinsing ang malunggay guys, no? It only took a week. 'Di ba nagbakasyon tayo? So, ayan oh, makikita mo oh. 'Di ba? Focus natin 'yan. Soon, we will have 3 big malunggay. Putulan lang natin ito guys para magkaroon pa siya ng maraming fresh na dahon, healthy na dahon. Yung iba sumasabit na rin sa kable ng kuryente so hindi na rin maganda. So kailangan i-pruning na rin natin sila. Update tayo sa papaya natin. Dito, yung tinanim natin nung nakaraan. Ayan, looks happy. Ayan. Mayroon kasi kaming sprinkler na nilagay dito guys. So everyday, nadidiligan talaga sila. And then update tayo sa ating kalamansi. Ito na po yung update ng kalamansi natin guys after a week of planting. 'Di ba sabi ni John is titignan niya a week or 2 kung makasurvive. Yes, look, surviving ang ating kalamansi. And madami pa rin siyang bunga. Pahinog na nga yung iba eh. Ayan, gagawa ako ng kalamansi juice later. Hindi, kukuha na ako. Yung mga hinog-hinog na, kukunin ko na siya. Magawa tayo ng juice. Alam mo sa probinsya, kapag medyo masama ang pakiramdam mo, inuubo ka or sinisipon ka, ito, rich in vitamin C. Itong kalamunding, we call it kalamunding, sa iba kalamansi, yung sa iba naman limonsito. Yan. Ito pa yung mga ipapamigay natin pala guys, na papaya. Wala pang nag-pick up dito sa bahay. So if you are nearby Lake Worth Beach, Florida, you can pick up this. This is free. Alam nyo ba mahal ito? Nasa $50. Sobrang mahal niyan. Huy, may avocado pa pala dito guys. This is our 4th avocado. No? In like 5 to 10 years, pwede na kaming mag-supply ng avocado sa mga malalaking stores dito sa Florida. Kasi ito na yung pang-4 na puno ng avocado natin. Lord, thank you for all the blessings. May isang papaya na lang tayo na natira dito guys. Ayan. Okay, magtitinola tayo soon. Now, gagawa lang ako ng juice. Okay. Yay! Thank you so much for all the harvest, Lord. Salamat sa magandang biyaya, sa maraming blessings na dumarating kay Johannes andyan, na maibabahagi natin ito sa ating mga kababayan. Kaya siguro maraming blessings na dumarating sa amin ni John is because sinishare namin ito sa mga kababayan. Hindi lang ito para sa amin, kung hindi, para din sa mga kababayan. No, ganyan naman ang layunin ni Johannes andyan, makapag-share tayo ng blessings sa iba, no? May isang artista, si Gladys Reyes ata yun, itong kalamansi, yan lang yung ano niya. Hindi siya nagsasabon. Kiss-kiss niya sa mukha niya, sa kinikili niya. For years, ito lang yung ginagamit niya guys. Hindi siya nagsasabon. Tapos maglalagay lang ako ng sugar dito. A little bit lang. Sa probinsya, ganito naman eh. Ay, ganito pala ang reaction niya paglagyan ng sugar dear. The reaction if you put sugar in the sparkling water, it bubbles. Grabe, ang lalaki talaga. Para siyang papaya kalaki guys. Wow.
It's a lot of avocado to eat. Hope you like avocado.
Aha. Gagawa tayo dear ng
You remember from the front?
No, from the back. Back, front, middle of the house, and at the back of the house. Okay. Small, medium, large. Marami tayong pwedeng gawin dito dear. A lot of things out of these avocados. We can do guacamole. We can do avocado toast.
Yes, you can wash your hair.
Avocado shampoo. We can also do ice candy with avocado. Dessert. What else?
Oh, you have the one with the sweetened condensed milk.
Yes. Avocado salad. Salad, yeah.
Avocado with burrata, balsamic glaze.
Oh, that sounds
with basil.
Healthier. Alam nyo guys, this is a good source of vitamins. Also, this is good if you have high cholesterol. Johannes, patikim naman ng avocado ninyo. Yes guys, huwag kayong mag-alala dahil ipapamigay ko po yan. Hindi naman namin yan mauubos guys. Pero wait lang kayo kasi titignan ko pa kung ready na talaga sila i-harvest. Kasi yung una na hinarvest namin is linghod pa siya. So, nung nahinog siya, parang hindi siya ganun kasarap. Pero this one, tignan natin kung okay na siya. Pag nahinog yan guys, gagawin nating salad at kung okay na siya, ipapamigay ko na siya sa inyo. Okay? So, stay tuned. So, after harvesting guys, mag-grocery lang kami ni John. Actually, pupunta kaming Walmart dahil bibili ako ng snorkel set. Okay, exciting ito guys. Ngayon tayo pupunta sa beach dear.
I'm gonna try.
Okay. Hi guys, pupunta lang tayo ngayon sa Walmart dahil bibili ako ng snorkel set. Tuturuan ako ni John guys kung paano mag-snorkel. Kasi remember we always go to Caribbean And then one of the excursions kasi there is the snorkeling. So hindi ako marunong mag-snorkel. Marunong ako lumangoy guys, pero yung mga ganyang snorkel hindi pa ako marunong. So bibili tayo ngayon ng snorkel set. Actually may mga nakukuha ako sa basurahan noong nakaraan. Kaso nga lang nagsisi ako, pinadala ko pala lahat sa Pilipinas. Hindi naman nila nagagamit yun doon. Sana pala nagtira ako ng dalawa. Aha. Maybe they have balut. Where did you lay your eggs? Balanghoy. $2 ang kanilang balanghoy guys. Ang mahal ng balanghoy dito sa Amerika. Magkano ang kanilang $1 ang kanilang kamote $1. First, this is the biggest peppers I've seen. Ang laki ng kanilang atsal. Ano saan yung kalamunding? O 28 cents lang pala ang lubi nila guys. Ano na siya, nabalatan na. Cucumber? Ah, this one no? Or baby cucumber. Mahal ng radish nila. This one no? Fresh. Ay ito 48 cents.
You can put the camera there. Large or XL, but I don't know. The whole set.
Open it.
Couple fins. I don't see the mask.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yan, nakakuha tayo. Naka-sale siya. $4. 46 for the $70. Kailangan natin ito guys kapag nagta-travel tayo. Lagayan ng mga medication, vitamins, tomato, banana, cucumber, romaine, and radish. Yan lang yung nabili natin. Siguro magtitinola lang tayo for lunch. Ayan. Tuturuan ako ni Jan mag-snorkel. So, itatry ko muna ito kung kakayanin ko ba. So, ito yung snorkel set natin na nabili. Hopefully, kasya siya. No? Ah, kasya siya. Large ito eh. Hindi ko lang alam kung tama ba itong ginagawa ko. Ayan, so ito. And then, ito sa paa. Dapat may medyas din daw ito eh. Pero hindi kami nakakita doon ng parang medyas. So siguro gagamit lang tayo ng regular socks dito. Ayan. So, hopefully, mabilis akong matuto. Hopefully, matuto tayo kaagad nito. Paano ba? Paano ba ito gagawin? Antayin ko lang si Jan. Hindi ako marunong guys eh. Magdadala din tayo guys ng mga beach chairs. Ayan, di pang lawa-lawa na ang beach chairs natin kasi matagal ito hindi nagamit. And then we also have umbrella. Sana okay pa itong umbrella. Sana kompleto pa yung mga kulamoy nito. Hinuhugasan lang ni Jan yung ating maliit na cooler. Ayan. Kasi magdadala din tayo ng mga drinks, water, soda. Okay. You put in the nose here.
No? How's your nose going to be sticking out?
Like that.
Yeah? Now you're going to get your hair out of the mask.
Okay.
Put that in your mouth. You hold it with your teeth. Fancy this is. It may fill with water if you put your head underwater. You got to be able to hold your breath and blow it out before you breathe in. You can't breathe with your nose.
That's a technique.
You're only going to... The only time you breathe with
So it should be sticking out in the water while you like that.
The only time you want to breathe out through your nose is to clear your mask if it gets water in it.
Aha.
The fins.
Fins.
You might need
Socks.
maybe.
Okay. We need socks now.
No, don't do socks first.
Okay.
That might fit just fine. Now the tricky part is walking in these. No, the trick is walking down the beach.
Getting ready. I will charge it first. I will charge it in the car. May hack pala na ginawa si Jan, oh. Tapos lalagyan lang natin ng plastic. Ilalagay lang natin dito para hindi siya malagyan ng water.
That's what they were doing on the cruise ship. They put their phone.
Kasi natanggal kasi yung ano dito guys sa may battery. I'll do it like this guys, oh. Ang rubber band dito. So I think okay naman siya yung camera. Ito na guys, we're going to the beach now. Excited na ako na mag-snorkel guys. First time ko itong gagawin. Sana mabilis na ako matuto guys, no. Babangon sana ako ng rice kaso nga lang wala na pala akong bahaw. So hindi ako nakapag-breakfast. So for sure gutom na gutom tayo mamaya pagbalik natin. Siguro I don't know, magtitinola siguro tayo for lunch, darling. Tinola for lunch
Too much work. You have fried chicken and whatever.
Fried
salad.
chicken na lang. Okay, mag-fried chicken na lang daw tayo at saka salad.
Unless you want hamburger.
I don't know. Are you having hamburger?
Tinola will take a while. No?
Yeah. So tinola for dinner, I think. Mag-ano ka? You're gonna have hamburger for lunch? Okay. I think I will just cook rice later because there's still fried chicken. Hopefully there's no it's not crowded in the sea later.
Sunday, so we'll see.
Sunday, so malamang crowded ngayon.
Maybe.
We are here now.
Says no parking anytime.
Bawal kasi mag-park dito. So magpa-park lang muna si Jan and antayin ko na lang siya. And then ito na yung mga gamit natin. Hinihintay ko pa rin si Jan guys kasi nagpa-park pa siya. Kaloka kasi naiwan niya kasi yung card dito sa cooler natin. So hindi siya makapag-park. So pinicturean ko muna yung card. Ngayon, hinihintay ko pa din siya. At ang dami ng mga nakikita kong dumadaan dito na may mga dalang umbrella. So hopefully, ayan marami ng mga nagsiset up doon ng mga umbrella at chairs. So hopefully may mga space pa doon. Alright, let's go. Okay. Let's bring this. Ikabiba ko lang ito, ikabiba. And then, this one. Alright, let's go. Okay, 1 hour is good. Not so much, no? Maybe there.
Put the mask on. Get your hair out of the way, over the nose. When you breathe in, is it tight? Put your face down in the water. Just like you're gonna swim. You're not swimming. Dive. Just lay flat in the water. You need to clear your mask so you can see.
It looks like I can't breathe to my mouth.
Why is it hard to breathe through your mouth? Alright. Needs to be way up near your nose.
I think all I need guys is a breathing technique. May breathing technique siya kasi every time napapansin ko pag lumulublob ako sa water, parang wala pang 1 minute, parang hindi ako makahinga. Kahit na sabi ni Jan, wag daw gamitin yung nose ko, yung bunganga ko lang daw yung gamitin, parang I'm having a hard time pa rin. I think it's more of a practice. Pero I'm really excited na makatry tayo mag-snorkel sa mga magagandang lugar like sa Caribbean para makakita tayo ng mga corals or different kinds of fish. May mga isda kaming nakikita dito guys, no, sa ilalim. Ayan. Tignan natin si Jack. Tignan natin. Wow, that's almost a minute in the water. First time. So nakuha ko na yung technique guys. Kailangan slowly lang para yung pag-breathe. Ang OA naman kasi yung paghinga ko guys. Parang ho ho. Ganun kasi yung paghinga ko. So ganun lang pala. Dear, I know already.
You want one?
May soda. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam guys na ganito, alam mo, kailangan din natin ng ganitong break, no? Once in a while. Snorkeling. Nauhaw na si Johannes. Ang sarap. And that's it. 1 hour is almost done. 1 hour lang kasi $4 dear, no? And how much?
$4.40.
$4.40 yung bayad sa 1 hour dito. Sabi ni John, kapag magstay pa kami ng another 1 hour, parang it's too long na at medyo mainit na din. So, babalik na kami sa bahay. Nagutom na rin ako. Kakain na, itlog na naman ang kakainin natin. Boiled egg na naman, back to boiled egg na naman si Johannes guys. Dahil tapos na ang maliligayang araw sa bakasyon. So, boiled egg na naman tayo. Alright. Ayan, pauwi na kami. That was a nice experience. Snorkeling. It's a little hard at first. Kasi syempre hindi mo pa alam yung technique paano, yung breathing technique. May breathing technique pala siya guys. Ako kasi parang naghahabol. Oo, na-anxious ako. Naghahabol ako ng hininga.
Have to drink chamomile before going snorkeling.
Huwag kang uminom, no? Don't drink coffee kasi heartbeat. Makuan ka ba, palpitit. Ayan, so it's a nice experience. Of course for beginner, parang mahirapan ka pa, pero pag palagi mo siyang ginagawa, you'll get used to it. Yung dito lang kasi guys, there's only like one kind of fish na nakita namin kanina, but mas maganda sana yun kapag you will see different kinds of fish. Kaya pala sa iba yung nakikita ko yung mga videos ng iba, ang gaganda ng mga kulay ng mga isda, different kinds of species, no? Different kinds of fish, big, small, colorful, coral reefs, mga ganyan. So yan yung i-goal ko, yung maging master ako sa snorkeling, hopefully in the future. Kasi mas maganda.
Not so much fish here because it's all sand.
So mas maganda sana, maganda sana nito guys, no, kung doon tayo sa kuon, sa Bahamas. So try natin yan sa susunod na cruise natin. And actually hindi pa kami nakapag-book ni Jen, pero we're planning na mag-cruise ulit kami sa birthday ko sa September next month na. Oh, by the way, this afternoon, today is Sunday, so it's garbage day. Na-miss ko mamasura dear doon sa ano. May isa kasi kaming pinupuntahan dito. Right? May isa kaming pinupuntahan dito na subdivision na grabe sila magtapon ng mga basura guys. Magagandang couch pa, minsan may mga appliances na kukuha kami, mga furniture na kukuha kami. So we'll see kung may itatapon sila ngayon kasi summer ngayon eh. So parang walang mga tao sa bahay nila. Parang snowbird kasi yung iba dito guys. Siguro yung iba nasa New York, yung iba nasa ibang lugar, ibang bansa, nagbabakasyon. So let's see, let's try later. Pero may mga apartment buildings din naman doon tayong madadaanan. Sa mga apartment buildings kasi usually talaga nagtatapon sila like weekly. Nagtatapon talaga sila guys sa mga gamit. Ganyan dito sa Amerika magtapon ng gamit guys. Kahit na maganda pa siya tignan, tinatapon na nila. So tignan natin mamaya kung may mga makuha tayo. Ang mga kinukuha ko lang naman guys is yung mga maliliit lang, especially mga toys, mga educational materials, yung magkasya lang sa balikbayan box, mga stuffed toy, mga damit, minsan mga sapatos, no? Mga TV hindi ko na masyadong kinukuha unless sobrang laki talaga niya like Samsung, mga branded na TV. Kasi minsan nakakakuha din kami ng TV guys na gumagana pa. So tingnan natin mamaya kung anong sorpresa ang naghihintay kay Johannes andyan sa pamamasura. Hi guys! Good morning! It's 11:35 in the morning. Kagagaling lang namin sa beach, nag-snorkeling. So, Jan's preparing lunch. Salad. Sobrang saya ng experience namin kanina sa snorkeling guys. Siguro babalik kami next day na siguro. Monday kasi tomorrow may appointment ako. So siguro mga next day babalik tayo. Mamayang hapon abangan ninyo magda-dumpster dive. Not really dumpster dive. Scavenging pala ang tawag pag ganyan yung umiikot-ikot lang kayo sa subdivision ninyo. Maghanap ng mga kung ano-ano. Tinatapon ng mga kapitbahay. Scavenging ang tawag dear, no?
Scavenging.
Scavenging. Sana may makuha tayo mamaya guys. Laki ng mga na-harvest natin ng avocado kanina. Oh, we will wait for like a week. Guys, tignan natin. Ooh, look at that. Sobrang laki. Kakaiba yung kanilang radish dito, guys.
One of the best ones.
One of the best one. Radish.
Very spicy. Oh, that's good. 1 spoon.
1 spoon, okay. Pero ako, gusto ko ng creamy, cheesy, creamy. Ganyan yung gusto ko sa aking salad. Okay. You want more than that? Look at that. Can't wait. I'm gonna set up na dear, ha?
Give me big salad.
Big salad. Gusto niya ng big salad. Where's your card?
My card? I thought this was included.
It's not included in your package.
Oh no.
Sign. Ganyan sa cruise ship. Ang ating mushroom soup. Hindi ko alam kung napakita ko sa inyo guys yung recipe nito kung paano ginawa yung mushroom soup. Guys, it's a must try talaga guys. Alam mo kahit mushroom soup lang tapos tinapay, pwede na siya guys. Meal na talaga siya. 13 minutes pa yung sa rice ko. Si Jan nagluluto pa naman siya ng ano eh. Nagluluto pa siya ng burger. Kuha lang akong lemon. Hindi man lang siya nabigyan ng chance na tumubo talaga. Ayan oh. Wala na nga ito ata guys. Tignan natin kung mayroon pa tayong matiti dito. Mayroon pa naman. Yung mga malalaki lang yung kunin ko. Ayan oh. May mga umuusbong na bunga. Ayan ang dami oh. Marami pala nakatago lang siya. Luto na ang... Oh wow, that's cheesy. Oh, mukhang naiinggit ako ah. Sabi niya dyan, I'm in trouble now. Looks like Johannes likes it.
He wants some. Shall I look?
Look at that. Lunch ni Jan. Burger with cheese.
I wonder how I did. I should tell you good.
Ang sarap ng soup. Ginawa ni Jan ito a week ago dinner before our cruise. You made this one before our cruise. Romaine tomato. Iba yung kanilang radish o pula. Maliit lang yung radish nila. Maliit na bilog. Looks like it's not crunchy.
Yeah, I don't know why that is too. The survey is here for our cruise.
I will give 10 over 10. The least way we can do. To give a survey to our kababayan. Alam nyo, when they get high rating, they will get more day off. Not day off, more, what do you call, break time. Kasi literally, they don't have day off in the cruise line. 30 days a month sila nagtatrabaho. Walang day off sa cruise ship. Kaya, ihanda mo ng sarili mo. Kapag gusto mong magtrabaho sa cruise ship, walang day off. Kapag maganda ang rating mo, bigay sa na passenger, highest rating siguro 9 or 10, you will get extra break time, extra off. Usually kasi guys, they work 12 hours a day. This is the hardest part, cleaning up!
Yep.
Ano kami ni Jan dito guys? Hati kami ng trabaho. Si Jan nag-prepare, ako naglilinis ng kusina. Ganyan lang naman sa mag-asawa guys. Nagtutulungan. Hey guys, it's another day, another dumpster day. Punta lang tayo sa ating mga mayayamang kapitbahay. Susuyurin natin guys ang mga bahay nila. Tignan natin kung may mga tinatapon sila. 4:37 PM na. Usually mga ganitong oras 4 to 5 sila nagtatapon. Okay, so nakapasok na tayo ngayon sa area at mukhang negative. Mukhang hindi magandang ano ito guys, simula. Ano tong tumpok na to? Puro mga ayan.
They're getting their new metal roof.
Okay pa siya no? Pinalitan na nila agad. It's still looking good, the metal roof. It's not rusty or
No, that's good metal.
maybe they don't like the design or what.
They treat it. It's good metal. They call them 100-year roofs.
100-year roofs. Hindi ka umabot ng 100 pero ang metal mo umabot ng 100. Ano to?
Shelving.
Oh, shelving. Pwede yun dear, shelving.
Shelving's good?
Ay! Shelving for my stocks!
No.
Ano? Because
No.
it's rusty?
Yes.
Okay.
It's terrible.
Kasi ay, nandito may kalaban tayo darling. Competitor.
If
May
you want-
kalaban kami.
If you want shelving like that, we'll go buy it and shove it in the hole.
Kasi nagbabalak ako na ipaayos yung back bedroom namin guys. Kasi yung mga stocks ko sobrang dami. Yung mga bags. Inilagay ko na lang siya sa bed. Eh makikitulog pala si Kibler dear will be staying in our house for 3 days. Ay ang ganda oh. Guys, first jackpot natin pero hindi natin ito makukuha guys ha. Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung gaano magtapon ang mga Amerikano. Ay, it's still nice, oh. Ganito magtapon ang mga Amerikano, guys, oh. Malinis pa talaga, kunting laba lang ito, kuskus. Pwede pa ito, dear. Couple thousand dollars. So, nasa 100,000 pesos. Sus, ang ganda. Oo. What's the brand name? If it's brand name daw, it's worth more. Nandito pa yung mga tiil niya, oh. Kompleto.
Lots of pillows for your bed.
Oo. Ang ganda. Ang ganda talaga guys. Kaso nga lang, di yan magkasya sa sasakyan natin. Maliit lang man yung sasakyan namin guys. Next time siguro pwede tayo mag-rent ng mga truck. Pero iisipin ko pa kung anong kumpanya. Kung gagawa ako ng company dito sa Amerika guys na alam mo yung i-repair natin sila, if-fully furnish. I-refurbish or refurnish? What do you call that here when you are going to make it brand new? Refurbish, refurnish.
Refurbish.
Sila guys, yun ang kumpanya na gusto kong itayo dito guys. No? Kasi maraming mga furniture, mga appliances, pwede nating ibenta. Pag mga gano'n na couple $1,000, pwede mo yung mabenta yun ng mga $200. Diba? Do you know, if you repair that one, you can sell it to $200 to $500. You make it brand new, you clean it, you wash it, you scrub it, you sanitize it, and
Yes.
everything. There's a lot of actually there's a lot of work actually.
Oh, there is.
But
You're not making a fortune. You're buying groceries.
as long as hindi ka malulugi, it's okay. It's totally fine as long as hindi ka malulugi. 'Di ba? Hindi ka magtatapal sa iyong mga empleyado. 'Yun naman ang importante eh. Kahit na kumikita tayo ng konti, basta meron, tuloy-tuloy, no? Huwag nating isipin yung ano yan, dear? Ano yan?
Electronics.
Electronics. Ayan oh, may kasama pa siyang attache case, darling. Okay, yung
It's a synthesizer.
system.
of some sort.
It's like a system.
Synthesizer.
Synthesizer. Ay, maybe. Ay. Oh, all the cords.
Chords.
Do you want to bring this?
No.
What is a synthesizer?
If you have a band, you're gonna need something like
For the banda. Pero wala man tayong may kakilala na pwedeng gumamit nun. Pero pwede sana yun sa
that.
probinsya,
So
guys, no?
if we bring it with us,
For the province ba? I think.
no.
No?
It's very sophisticated.
Okay.
You're gonna have the equipment to go with it. See all the cables inside?
Oo nga.
Maybe there was more there earlier. Who knows? Maybe that's what's left.
Oo. Ito na naman, meron na naman. Ay, ang ganda ng car. Oh, Elon car. Elon car.
Could be very nice
Inside.
Ultimately nice inside.
Very nice inside maybe.
Very
Don't
roomy.
judge from the outside. No? You have to look at the beauty from within. Kasi yung iba, ano man yan, sasakyan na yan. Hindi man yan maganda. Oh, you're wasting your money. Ganyan. Money naman nila yun. Hindi naman natin money yun. Tayo, magbigay lang tayo ng opinion. No? Pero hayaan natin yung iba na kung paano nila gastusin ang kanilang pera. Kasi in the first place, pinaghirapan nila yun. Pera nila yun. Pero hindi pa kasi ako nakakita ng kung ano yung nasa loob ng Elon car na yun eh. Ayun, parang metal ba? Baka ano yun, maganda ang mga sound system, comfort yung mga upuan, very comfortable, comfortable. So yun. Okay. There's another couch.
It's perfect for midnight.
Ay, oo, black. Oo, maganda ito sa pusa namin, guys, kasi hindi siya dumihin. Ay, bongga ito.
And you can't tell when it gets dirty.
I think it's couch day today. It's couch day today, guys. Tignan ninyo. Ay, ang ganda nito, dear. Gusto ko yung mga ganitong style, aesthetic. Aesthetic ang mga ganitong style. Ang ganda, oh. Walang kadumi-dumi. Ang linis pa nila magtapon. Walang ano talaga, dear, oh. Maybe we can get one of this for our cat. No? Ang ganda talaga, guys. Oh, ganito sila magtapon dito, guys. Oh. Alam mo, konting ano lang to, vacuum. It's nice, no? What's the brand of this one?
Clean, that's not bad.
It's very clean. If we have a bigger house, darling, I would get it. I-text ko nga yung kaibigan ko. Punta ka dito. Do you think how much is that? Couple $1,000 also? No?
Yeah, 1,500, 2,000. I don't know what furniture really goes. Depends on the quality.
Okay. Mayroong tumpok dito. Looks like there's something. Yan, oh. Okay. Parang may mga TV. Ay, may mga tong, oh. For our grill. Dear, there's a lot of jackpot here, ha? Oh. Ito, oh. Pwede ito. Oh. This one is good. Ayan, oh. Sus, bakit natin? Oh. Ang ganda niyan.
It's just a little dirty.
Dirty lang, no? Pero this one, oh. Ang dami, guys. Ito. Kunin natin to, dear. Let's get this one.
Alright.
What about the brush?
No, I don't want the brush.
Maganda ito, darling. Oh, kunin mo yan. Upuan. Na, ganyan, mamasura. Kunin ang mga maliliit. I think that's, heavy lagi ni, dear.
Plywood.
Ay, plywood.
It won't fit though.
Okay. Ay, hala, mga kaldi. Hala, mga.
Huh?
Uy, jackpot.
Jackpot.
Uy, jackpot, guys. Oh, mga, rice cooker. May rice cooker, guys, na tinapon. Okay, load it up. Load it.
Hold box.
Okay, hold on. Like that. Yep. Ay, so salamat at inopen natin yan, darling. Guys, jackpot kami, mga rice cooker. Let's check the other one daw, dear. Looks like there's another box, oh.
I can't.
Maybe it's full of something. Ala, hold on. No, it's not heavy, but looks like something.
Let me see if the wood will fit in the car.
Gusto mo ang wood? Ah, okay. Okay, I'll hold this. Baka damit yan, ha? Baka mga damit yan, darling.
It looks like cardboard.
Cardboard? Ah, okay. Only cardboard. Ayan, kinuha ni dyan. Kahit tabla, kinuha ni dyan. Ay, hala, perfect, darling. Hala ka, perfect. Kahit mga ganitong tabla, guys, kinukuha pa rin namin ni John. Because why not? Diba? Okay, I will hold this one.
Push.
Okay.
It's a little
Rice cooker, and then there, pans. Pwede sa Pilipinas yun, darling. For the Philippines,
if you have
the pan. Wala kaming rice cooker sa Pilipinas. Hi, salamat Lord sa magandang jackpot. Siguro we might not need it because we already have a lot of it, but a lot of people will need it. Diba? Kalaha. Ay, hindi lang yun basta-bastang kalaha. Looks like the pan is very expensive. Heavy duty.
Yeah, many times those become our favorites, the one we find in the garbage.
Oh, it's funny because the one that we find in the garbage is the one we're actually using.
All the time.
All the time. Kasi parang mas maganda pa. Wala talagang pinapalampas si John, guys, dahil kahit wood kinukuha niya. Tignan nyo, titignan niya pa rin, guys. Ayan, kukunin ni John kahit wood. You like the wood? Ay, oo nga. Perfect ang plywood na yan. Ah, okay, yeah, I'm strong. I'm strong. O ayan, kukunin namin tong wood kasi maganda ito eh. Pangtapal natin ito, guys, sa mga buslot sa ating balay. Untap. Okay, hold on a second.
You could set up the stand. Yeah, push.
Okay.
Push.
Push. Okay, oh, perfect. Oh, 'di ba nakakuha tayo, marami tayong plywood na nakuha, guys. Perfect 'yan. Well repaired. Ayan, guys. Grabe talaga si Jan, walang pinapalampas pati mga plywood. Kinukuha niya talaga. Sabi ko nga kay Jan, nagbibiro nga ako kay Jan, pwede na tayong magtayo ng bahay, dear, sa pamamasura natin.
Yeah, there's at least there's $50 or $60 worth of wood there now.
See?
If you went to the store.
Exactly. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. Malaking tipid talaga ang ginagawa namin pamamasura. Totoo naman talaga na makakapagtayo tayo ng bahay sa pamamagitan ng pamamasura natin. Kasi yung kikitain natin, siguro sa ilang taon na pamamasura, kung iipunin mo yan at ibebenta mo ng tag-couple $100, magiging $1,000 yan, guys, sa mga susunod na taon. At makakapagpagawa ka ng bahay. Totoo or hindi? Totoo. At saka yung mga gamit, mga couch, mga furniture, ano pa ba, mga appliances, hindi mo na kailangan bumili. Right, dear?
Yeah.
Totoo yan, guys. Hindi ako mukha lang akong nagbibiro, guys, no, pero totoo talaga yan, guys. Lahat ng maiipon mo, pwede mo nang ilagay sa new house mo, 'di ba? Siguro ayan, pagtatawanan ako ng mga tao ngayon dahil sa ginagawa ko, pero hindi nila alam balang araw matutupad din yan, no? Magkakaroon din tayo ng magandang bahay sa pamamagitan ng pamamasura natin. O, diba? At saka hindi lang ito yung ginagawa namin, nagda-dumpster dive din kami, guys, na nangunguha din kami ng mga pagkain. Diba? Kasi makatipid din yan sa grocery. Alam nyo ba kung magkano
Wine
yung...
cooler?
Ay, wine! Alak ka! Wow! Another wine cooler.
Does it say anything?
It doesn't say anything, but looks like it's old na.
Yeah.
It's old na wine cooler. Actually, may 3 na kaming nakuha na wine cooler, guys. Hindi na natin yan kailangan. Pero pwedeng ibenta. Pwedeng ibenta yan kapag gumana pa siya. So, as I was saying earlier, guys, how much is the grocery every time we go out? 300, right? 100 to 300. So, let's just say 100 daily times 30, $3,000. Pero, usually, ang nag-grocery natin, dear, is $1,000 a month, dear. Egg. It's very expensive, the egg.
It's almost $1 an egg.
One egg is $1.
The best eggs.
Best egg. Puno ang sasakyan natin, guys. Ang mga nakakot natin ay tinapon ng ating mga kapitbahay. Starting tayo dito, Darboy. Hala, ang ganda ng mga... Hala, ang pretty. Wala man lang. Wala man lang problema sa likod, guys. Oh, ay pakita ko sa inyo mamaya, ha? Hala ka, dear. Grabe sila maglinis. Ayan, oh. It's made up in the inside, but in here it's not.
Right?
Magaling sila maglinis. Maybe they're using stove or what?
No, maybe it's
Ayan, oh! Or maybe it's the quality of the, ano, product.
it's the oven, the stove they're using.
Okay.
It's
Ito guys.
whatchamacallit. It's the what for one.
Madami tayong pagagamitan nito guys.
It's a step stool.
Step.
It's just a miniature ladder. I don't know if there's.
Wow. Ay, this is bigger than our rice cooker, darling. Oh, stainless. Perfect. There, put it in the garage. Ayan. Look at that. It's heavy.
Stainless steel.
Stainless steel. That is $41. Hala ko, guys. Grabe. So, nasa, magkano yung $33? 1.5 to 1.7 pesos. Sobrang ganda pa talaga, guys. Pero lagyan ko siya ng banami dito. Kasi, para makinis talaga siya ba? Ano, yung parang may ano siya sa loob. Matanggal yan ng banami. Matanggal ito, yung itim, yung brown. Hala, oh! Ay, tanggal yun siya, guys. Oh? Hala, good as new. Hala! Jackpot talaga. Alam mo, pwede ata ito sa Pinas, guys. Ilang volts ba ito? Ipadala ko to sa Pinas kasi wala kaming rice cooker. Hala, good. Hala ka, dear. Hala, Lord, salamat, Lord. Kapag ka may bago kayong bahay dito sa Amerika or magpagawa kayo ng bagong bahay, ikot lang kayo ng ikot. Huwag kayong mahiya. Huwag kayong mahiya, guys, kasi pag mahiya kayo, walang mangyayari sa inyo. Good as brand new. Tignan nyo, guys. Grabe. Napakakinis. Alam mo, kapag makabili kami ng bahay ni Jan na bago, kasi yun ang pangarap ko talaga, pangarap ko talaga na makabili ng bahay. At gusto ko magkaroon ako ng kumpanya na ito, pamamasura, guys, tapos ibebenta ko siya. Paunti-unti, kahit na konti lang ang kita, guys, kahit na maka $100 a day tayo, i-times mo yan ng 30. Magkano yan? 3,000 na. Tapos i-times mo yan ng 12. O, diba? So, paunti-unti, makakagawa ka talaga ng bahay. Oh, hala ka, guys. Grabe na talaga ito. Bangag giagit-it sa loob, natanggal siya. Very clean. Natanggal siya. Tapos ito, may agit-it din siya dito, guys. May agit-it din siya. Tignan natin kung matatanggal natin yan. Good as new. Good as new. Hindi man siya rust. Ano lang siya. Dumi lang siya. Parang alikabok lang siya ba. Okay, tignan natin ha. Baka muboto. Basig muboto, darling. Okay, tignan natin.
Water in the thing.
Okay. Para to make sure, no? Put a little water. Darling. Uy! Good! Camera, darling. Maybe they will not believe.
It just says warm. It may not cook.
Ay, oo, no? Gusto mo magluto tayo ng...
No, because
okay.
there may be a reason it's in the thing.
Okay. Sometimes there, you know what, when I was in the Philippines, we cook noodles in here. Dear, thank you, because you're not embarrassed or shy to do scavenging, dumpster diving.
No, we gotta sell this stuff because...
Exactly. That's what I'm telling them. We have to make a business out of this one so we can build a new house. Actually, we can make extension in our house. Oh, we will extend our kitchen, right?
We could.
So that's our plan. So our dream house. Ito, guys, para sa pangarap natin. Ito, hindi ako mahihiya. Basta para sa pangarap namin ni Jan, hindi ako mahihiya. Kahit ano pang sabihin ng iba, hindi ako mahihiya. So ito, mag-iipon kami, itatry natin kung paano tayo magkaroon ng business na ganito, yung refurbish, yung ibebenta natin yung mga nakukuha natin sa pamamasura. We will check how do we do that dear, when to start, how to start, lots of details.
How to start?
When to start, how to start,
Lots of
who will assist us, no? So, para sa pangarap ni Johannes Andyan na bahay, gagawin natin ito. So, that's it for now, guys. I will let you know later, bago ako mag-bye-bye, I will let you know kung bumukal ba siya or uminit ba siya, no? Kasi para malaman nyo rin, no? Ito yung rice cooker, ito yung nakita natin, ito yung sa amin, maliit lang siya. Ay, it's the same, darling. It's also Aroma, but ours is not. It's not stainless steel.
Right, wow, this is the...
Yeah, this is the branded.
This is the better machine.
This is the branded. Because look, oh, this one is, look, it's not stainless.
No,
This one is
it's
stainless.
aluminum.
It's heavy. It's heavy.
It's aluminum and on the inside it's coated.
How much is that one? $14, $15, $20? $20, right? So, this one is 31. I see online, $31. Look.
I think it's more than 31.
Yeah, look, there's $41, there's $33. That's only 3 cups, darling.
3 cups.
Dara, oh. Aroma, 3 cups. Ay, naka-sale.
But what's it before the sale?
$40.
$40.
$40 siya, guys.
The price of the other.
Naka-sale siya ngayon. $40 pala yan, guys. Ayan, oh, pero naka-sale siya ngayon, $25 na lang. Ang galing. Ayan, oh. So, pwede mo siyang ibenta. Kahit ibenta mo lang yan, guys, ng mga $10. Diba? 500 pesos na rin yun. Alam nyo, guys. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, kahit na maliit na kita, basta tuloy-tuloy ang kita, makakaipon at makakaipon ka. So, yun yung gagawin namin ni John, guys, sa mga susunod. Mga masura tayo, mag-iipon tayo ng mga basura, ibebenta natin, at ang malilikom natin, itatayo natin sa dream house natin. Well, wala namang masama sa managinip. Diba? Managinip ng gising. Pero alam nyo guys, ngayon sinasabi ko pa yan, tumatawa pa lang ako kasi mag-uumpisa pa lang tayo hindi natin alam kung ano ang kahihinatnan ng dream house natin. But anyway, gagawin natin yan para sa pangarap. Okay? Sama-sama tayo. Huwag nyo kaming iwanan guys, ha? Huwag kayong mag-skip para makabili tayo ng ng dream house natin. Ayan guys, it's boiling. As you can see, look darling. It's boiling!
Wow!
Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, gumagana.
Put your rice in now.
Tignan natin. Hello, mga palangga! Come here.
Away. Oh, palangga.
Palangga. Come here, palangga. 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 Very sweet. Very sweet. This is our first love. This is our first love. This is our first love. Yan yung una kasi naming nakita, guys. So, that's it for our vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed our video today. If you like this video, guys, please, 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 i-share nyo po ito at mag-like kayo at mag-comment kayo. At kung gusto ninyo ang mga ganitong klaseng video, i-comment nyo lang. Johannes, we want more, no? Para mag-dumpster, more dumpster tayo in the future. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Nasira na. Sira na nga yung taklob, guys. Sira pa yung stand. Sira na lahat. Kailangan na talaga natin itong palitan. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!